Hey there, lovely art friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today is such a beautiful Sunday and I've got something special planned. Join me, my husband, our little baby girl and even our furry friend on a Sunday sketching date while we take a long walk in the enchanted forest. So what are we having today, honey?
Sketching day. Be ready.
Okay. First things first, we need some delicious treats for our sketching adventure. Just look at all these mouth-watering options. Gathering some things like water, spoons for our delicious treats, and also grabbing our sketching tools. I'm taking my brush case where I have all required sketching tools, painting tools, of course my sketchbook, which is already filled with some projects, and I'm doing my stippling rose tutorial as well for my Patreon students, and this will be an amazing opportunity to fill another project in this sketchbook. Okay, we're packing. Rami! Alright art friends, it's time to get moving. We are going on a long walk today, so I'll be keeping track of our steps. This is the starting point, how many steps I already did today, and time to time I will be updating. Nature is full of hidden treasures, if you look closely. These little things can be so inspiring and magical. Oh my god! That is super rare. Look at our little one, peacefully napping away. The fresh forest air is keeping our baby healthy and us energized. Wow, isn't this view breathtaking? Places like this are inspiring me for creativity. And how about you? What inspires you? Look at all these mushrooms, big and small, healthy, unhealthy. It doesn't matter. They're like little pieces of art themselves. You don't need to eat them, but you can paint them. Time for a quick update. We've come quite a way, and there's still more ahead of us. And look how many steps are already done. You know that you can get energy, strength from big trees. You really can. Try it. We've made it to 𝗥𝗲𝗶𝗀𝗁𝗏 mansion. This mansion is from 19th century. Such a beautiful place with its gardens and a little fountain. This will be a perfect place for a sketching session. But before sketching, let's eat some cakes. Okay, now I will go and find a spot and have a sketching time. Stepping out of the studio for outdoor sketching is vital. Nature offers a fresh perspective, fostering a deep connection with the environment. Its endless inspiration sparks creativity and liberates from perfectionism, encouraging the capture of moments. Beyond art, it enhances mental well-being by reducing stress and promoting mindfulness. It's a chance to unplug from screens, reconnect with tangible materials, and embark on exciting adventures. Remember, that sketching in nature not only rejuvenates your art, but also nurtures your soul, providing a mental and emotional sanctuary. Find a comfortable scenic spot, allowing extended creative sessions. Travel light, packing essentials like sketchbook, favorite pencils, erasers, and a compact watercolor set. Also adapt clothing to weather conditions, wear comfortable shoes, and consider layering. Stay energized with a reusable water bottle and a healthy snack. Pre-plan your subject or scene to maintain focus and make the most of your outdoor time. Don't rush straight away with painting. Look around, maybe take pictures. Plan ahead your composition in your sketchbook. First, do pencil drawings, simple lines, few lines of major things that you see in front of you. Don't go into detailing. Take mindful breaks to immerse in the surroundings, savoring nature's sensory details. Experiment freely with new techniques and materials, pushing your creativity boundaries. Push yourself out of your comfort zone. For me, painting outside is always stepping out of my comfort zone. I'm more adept when I'm in my studio, where everything is already organized for my painting sessions, but I know how important is sketching outside. To feel more comfortable, especially for sketching outside, you can take your friends or family members like I did. After my main lines are finished, I go over with very thin marker to make some composition details more vivid. And only now I'm going with watercolors. The first stage of planning, drawing some lines is super crucial. First I start with sky area, put some really few brush strokes. I'm going quickly, I'm not detailing, I'm not too focused on getting everything super realistic. This is the sketch. It's a simple and just enjoyable painting time. In my blue pigment mixes, I have ultramarine blue and some greens like perylene green. And in my greens, I have more sap green and perylene green, but I also add a little bit of ultramarine blue where I need something more vivid. In the front lines, I'm adding lemon yellow. Also, a little touch of alizarin crimson will make your green watercolor mixes more earthy. And you can have your palette quite messy at this stage because in nature there's so many colors, and having some blues and greens or some blues in flowers, this will only make your sketch more richer, more interesting. If we take a look around, we see so many colors. Skies are reflecting on the roofs of buildings. Flowers are reflecting green grass. Closer to finish, you can add some details like little flowers, and those flowers can be like little dots. You can add some maybe building things that you see like stones or windows. It's up to you how long you are going with detailing, or this is just a rough sketch and you are done with it. It's all up to you. It's more about doing this, spending time outside, and pushing your boundaries of where are you comfortable. Also, this inner perfectionist, getting rid of it for time. We need that. Packing everything back to my art bag. And you can sign your sketch maybe with the place you are sketching, with the date of the sketch, or maybe you can write your thoughts about this sketching session, maybe some insights about painting process. It's up to you. All is packed and we are ready to continue our journey. There in distance you can already spot the cable car. Unfortunately, they couldn't accommodate our dog on the cable car, but that's okay. We'll take the road that we came here. Thanks for joining us on this wonderful sketching date adventure. Remember, it's important to take time for yourself and your passions, even as a busy mom. We almost did it. We walked 6.5 miles. It's approximately 10 kilometers, 16,000 steps. Cool.
Aurora did great.
Everybody are safe and strong. Super fulfilling walk. Don't forget to embrace the beauty of nature and have your own outdoor creative sessions. Until next time, take care and stay inspired. Thank you.